Cars have changed dramatically over the years, but many old myths refuse to die. Let's bust 10 of the most common ones that drivers still believe. 10. Premium fuel always gives more power. Only if your engine is designed for it. In most cars, using premium instead of the recommended grade provides little to no benefit. 9. You should warm up the engine for several minutes before driving. Modern engines are ready to go within seconds. Gentle driving for the first few minutes warms the engine faster and more efficiently. 8. A bigger engine is always less fuel efficient. Not necessarily. A smaller turbo engine driven hard can use as much fuel as a larger engine driven smoothly. 7. You must change the oil every 3,000 miles. Many modern cars can safely go much farther. Follow the interval in your owner's manual. 6. Manual transmissions always save fuel. Today's automatics are often just as efficient, or even better. 5. You should inflate tires to the pressure written on the side wall. That number is the tire's maximum rating, not the recommended operating pressure. Use the value on the driver's door sticker. 4. Air conditioning always wastes huge amounts of fuel. At highway speeds, driving with the windows down can create enough drag to offset much of the fuel savings. 3. You can't brake and steer at the same time. With ABS, you can maintain steering control while braking hard. Press firmly and let the system do its job. 2. Electric cars have no maintenance. They require less maintenance than gasoline cars, but they still need tires, brakes, filters, and coolant service. And the number one myth: new cars don't need maintenance. Even the newest vehicle needs regular servicing to stay safe, reliable, and valuable. The more you understand your car, the easier it is to avoid costly mistakes and drive with confidence.